Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are just going to talk about the CDAC entrance exam student questions, how they can try to achieve their goal by practicing the questions which will come into the CDAC entrance exam. So I made the application which will be useful for you guys to study or to practice your mock test and questions that I prepared for you, like topic wise, language, data structure, OOPS concept, and many more. If you want to check out this application, watch this video from start to end so you may understand what I am talking about this application. So this application name is CCEP that I created by using Firebase real-time database. So guys, this application is very easy to use and you can use this application to practice the CCAT exam questions anytime, anywhere, very easily, just by clicking on this application from your Android application. And if you want to add many questions or more questions into this application, you may contact me on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp link is in the description of this video. If you want to add the questions into this application, or you want me to add the questions into this application, you just need to share your JSON file with me, or you just need to send me the file and I will create this file into the JSON file and upload on the application. So without wasting any more time, let's get started.
So guys, as I told you before, I use Firebase database to put the question into my application. First, I will tell you how you can find my application. So go to Google Play Store, type CCEP. I'm just using computer emulator to show you how you can find this application and install this application. Once the installation is completed, open the application. I will show you around to this application. So like you see here, the questions has been uploaded from internet, from here, from this website to the application. I just put the question from these sets, and if you guys want me to add more questions, I can just put more questions into this and the questions will get into this application, so you can practice more question as you wish. You can also share this to your WhatsApp and any application. I am using emulator, so I can show you where to send. So you can send this question through or share this question through WhatsApp messages or any online platform. So this is Firebase real-time database. I use this real-time database to put the question into this application, like you see. And if you want me to add the questions, you can send me question list or JSON files. Then I will upload this question into these files and the question will show up right here by making some changes. This application is very good for you guys to practice. That's why I suggest you guys to practice from this application. And if you have any queries, you can just WhatsApp me. The WhatsApp link is in the description below. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and hit the notification button so you may watch my next video. Thank you.